How to forward ports on a NETGEAR Nighthawk router. Advanced setup. Port forwarding or port triggering. Port forwarding or port triggering. For example, I forward port 3389 to access a remote server. Port forwarding tester. 3389. Check. Port closed. Closed. You forward ports on a NETGEAR Nighthawk as follows. Add custom service. Service name. RDP, short for Remote Desktop. Protocol. TCP and UDP. Starting port. 3389. Ending port. 3389. Internal starting port. 3389. Internal IP address. Enter the server's IP address. Determine the IP address of this computer. Status. Details. IP address. 1.2. Enter the IP address manually or choose from the list below. Either way works. Apply. Done. Check the result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck. Port forwarding tester. Check. Open.